going to show Jonathan's birthday presents.
We're gonna show you my birthday presents. Show you, not like play it. Okay, so this is this is Minecraft. 3 Minecraft
Legos.
Yeah, 3 Minecraft Legos. Next one, clocks. There's clocks.
And I gave them those decorations for him clocks.
Okay, now Nintendo Switch games. This is Super Mario Party, and this one is
Donkey Kong.
Mario vs. Donkey Kong. I want to play this one. Okay, next one. Underwear. Okay. Oh, it's the
Rocks things that I gave for Jonathan.
okay. The Nintendo Switch consoles.
This is another.
Oh, my brother gave me this car. This is Sonic Lego. Sonic Lego.
It's Bruce versus Knuckles.
Yep.
What's their robot?
A question block for Mario. Okay, now my Pokemon cards. Okay, my Pokemon cards. Okay, this one. This one's the new one. Okay. Okay, next page. Okay. Okay. Mario stickers. Oh, and my sister gave me this. My little sister. Okay, last one.
The Minecraft.
Minecraft.
From the Minecraft movie.
It's not from the Minecraft movie, but it looks good. It's cool.
It does.
Okay.
Mama.
Wait, let me open some stickers. Okay. I'm gonna open stickers. Okay, we have Mario, Yoshi, Mario again, more Mario, Super Mario, a Blue, Princess Peach, this, all these.
Dibby.
Okay, who's this? Get out! Doesn't know! Okay, this one's my favorite. What's this? This.
Oh no, mine is this.
Superstar.
Mine is the superstar.
Okay.
This is all for the video. I hope you like it, so like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye. Like and subscribe, okay?
Or else.